Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammad Hassan and today's video is about which oud oil you should buy if you are a beginner. So this is a very difficult question, and if you are a beginner, the first oud, if you are going to buy a very skanky or Hindi oud oil, you are really going to dislike it, and in your life I think you are not going to encounter that again and you would never want to sniff that again. So this video is about just for the beginners, if you are a beginner, and which region oud oil you should buy and start from there. Okay, so first region for the beginners is Thailand. So this is a bottle of Zaza Zen from Ansar Oud. This is an artisanal oud oil. This is one of my favorites. It is just very calming effect. It has milky kind of sweetness, licorice, very calming effect. So this is Thai ouds. So Thailand oud or Thai ouds are mostly very sweet. Some are overly sweet like candies or toffees, and they have very fruity vibe to them. Fruity sweet kind of profile. Some have some resonance or thickness or dampness to them, but this is the profile you should start with. So keep in mind Thailand oud or Thai oud oils. So this is my first region I recommend for beginners. Then if you like somewhat green or herbal kind of minty cola kind of oud oils that has mint at lightness, and they are not very dense or very dark. Then Indonesia. Indonesian oud oils, mostly from Aceh, are mostly herbal, green, very light, minty, sweet. So they are not going to have any skank or heady notes where you dislike them. So this is my second region, Indonesia. Indonesia, first one is Thailand, second is Indonesia. Let's see if we have more. Yes. Now the third region I would really recommend for beginners is Borneo, Milanua oils. Malinau or Malay oils, I think they are called. Borneo. So Borneo is the region. If you find any oil that says it is from Borneo, I definitely say that it would be sweet, a bit fruity, a bit herbal. It has some hay or green grass, maybe have some smoke in the background, just like you are visiting a village and having a sweet incensey smell. So these kind of profiles are from Borneo. Some Borneos are overly sweet too, but they are good for the beginners. Thai oud oils. Then I showed you the second one was Aceh, Indonesia, and the third one is Borneo, Malinau, Borneo region. Okay, so next one I am going to show you is Laos. Okay, so any oil from Laos is also going to be very sweet, very light. It also has fruitiness. They are not overly sweet, but they are fruity sweet kind of oud oils. So this one I have is from Ansar Oud, Laucha. It is a co-distillation. The woods of two areas has been mixed, Laos and Thailand. I already told you that they are very sweet. So let's keep them away. Here I have one more, Borneo 50K from Ansar Oud. It is a very costly oil, but again it is from Borneo. So it will be sweet and it will not irritate the newbies. Okay, so next one is Trat. This is Oud Yaqub from Ansar Oud from Trat region. Trat region is also has fruity vibes, maybe sometimes bitter fruitiness, have some bitterness in them, but overall it is good for beginners. So if you are a beginner and you like bitter fruity kind of vibe, then Trat region or Trat Oud oils are good for you. Okay, so let's sniff this one. Yes, this is fruity kind of vibe. I normally don't enjoy Trat Oud oils much, but this one is good. Then if you want to get a Cambodia Oud oil, there are very few Cambodia Oud oils that are Cambodia oils that are really sweet and they have caramel kind of note to it. But the region I love is Koh Kong. Okay, so there are different regions and their woods, they have different smells. So this one is Koh Kong, Cambodia 2018. So if you are buying a Cambodia Oud oils, make sure you are buying a very high quality oud oil. Second is that some oils are really thick, have some resinous or dampness to them. Some are very woody in the dry down. So if you don't like too much dry woody kind of dry down, then you can go with Koh Kong. Koh Kong is very airy kind of profile, at least for this oud oil. So Cambodia Oud oils, they are really sweet. I would rank them at number 3 or 4 for the beginners, because I think the beginners should start with Thailand Oud oils or maybe Borneo or something like that. Next region or next area oud oil is Sri Lanka. Sri Lankan oud oils are really sweet. This seems like someone has burnt the sugar on a cake. So they are really airy, very light, they are not dense. They are really nice smelling oud oils. So this one is Sri Lanka Senko from Ansar Oud. I just had the sample, I think 0.3 or 4 ml or 0.5 ml, not more than that. They are really expensive too, Sri Lankan oud oils. Next, the last one I would suggest over here is, if you are a bit more from a beginner and you have sniffed Thai oud oils, then you can go ahead with the Malaysian oud oils. So Malaysian oud oils are also sweet, damp, dense, have some darkness to them. Some have green herbal kind of effect to them, a bit leathery too sometimes, not skanky. This oud oil is Tigerwood Royal, and I think it is really lovely oud oil. So this is my intro to newbies or the people who are going to start with the oud oils. These are the regions, or these are the areas, or these are the oud oils you should buy. Okay, Thai oud oils, Trat oud oils, Sri Lankan oud oils, Malaysian oud oils, Cambodia oud oils. Some Cambodias are not very sweet. They have some skank or some typical funk have it, but most of them don't. Then one more, Laos and Borneo and Aceh, Indonesia. Indonesian oud oils are also very green and sweet. They are really lovely. Make sure you buy your oud oil from a really good distiller and who is really good at extracting artisanal grade oud oil, because I think the low quality oud oils, they are mostly mixed with different chemicals to dilute them, or maybe just to keep them safe. I'm not sure, but most of them I have tried, I was really disappointed. So make sure you start with organic oud oils. Mostly you can find them on Ansar Oud and other websites. I'm going to mention some of the links of the websites. Ashworth Oud, which is in UK. So for starters, you can start with these regions, these oils, and I hope you will enjoy them. If you have used any oud oil and you really enjoy it, make sure you put that in the comment section below. I will see you soon in another video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.